Dustin trying to help this bird, scaring the fuck out of it. My language is not suitable for children. Sorry. Gonna scare him around. He's letting you get really close. Is he gonna bite you if you tried to actually touch him? Is he injured? Or is he just freaking out because of the fence? Hey, is he hurt? He's big. Aw. Oh. You're halfway there. He's like, I'm tired, dude. He also bottle feeds baby pandas in his free time. Attack of the bird. He's going. You're so mean. Obviously, the bird is not a very good flyer. Can't figure out how to fly over the fence. And I'm being attacked by spiders. Oh. Oh. One panel away. Hey! Oh, Dustin freed a bird. Oh, saving birds, feeding baby pandas, baby koala bears, and giraffes in his free time.